Alrighty, welcome back, traders. Hope you guys are all having a beautiful day today. And guys, we're going to be doing another trade recap. We took another trade today on Tesla. Absolute beautiful trade, up over $1,600, about $3,000 on the week in profit, which, hey, I'll take any day of the week. So we're going to be talking about our entry, our exit, our risk management system. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about trading and how to find these stocks and strategies and the approach and all that good stuff, check out our school. It's awesome. And you guys can get 20% off by using code LEARN. There's one spot left for that code, so sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's have a quick word from our sponsor, which is the broker I use, which is Moomoo. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Yes, I know Moomoo is absolutely fantastic. So make sure you guys click that link down below. You won't regret it. And let's jump into this here. So we're going to be talking about here our full entry point and why we pretty much bought in on Tesla. So, there's a variety of different ways you guys can make money from day trading, right? There's momentum trading. There's a variety of different ways. A lot of people love momentum trading because honestly, you can make good money off it if you're good at it. And I'm not good at it. I'll be completely honest. So for me, it's stick to what I understand. And honestly, we've been doing a phenomenal job just trading Tesla. So you guys can see here, this is our trading journal. And this past week here, we're up about $3,800. Our trade performance, we took 4 trades total.